Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing the base. Make sure you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund, because stability buys options. Once done, stop treating education as optional, read Robert Kiyosaki-style lessons on assets versus liabilities and practice tracking every dollar in one spreadsheet or app. Now take the first actionable step. Identify 3 potential cash flow assets you can afford to start building, and commit to one measurable weekly task to research each. You move from foundation to execution by acquiring cash flow producing assets, target rentals, dividend stocks, or a small business that returns positive monthly income. As you scale, use leverage carefully. Mortgages or partners can expand ownership, so keep a 20% or greater equity buffer to reduce risk. Once leveraged, build systems, automate bookkeeping, set SOPs, and hire specialists for legal and tax tasks. This reduces friction and frees you to focus on finding. You finish by converting momentum into scale. Decide to refinance, sell, or roll profits into larger assets, and aim for at least a 10% return before expanding. Reinvest with discipline. Consider splitting proceeds roughly 50% to growth, 30% to reserves, and 20% back into new investments. If progress stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Audit cash flow, cut one recurring expense, renegotiate debt terms, and consult an advisor. This fixes many problems without derailing your long-term plan.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.